Hi, this is Johnnie with Johnnie Lloyd and Associates. And what I want to talk about today is actually starting your own business. I think that's one of the most critical things a person can do right now during this season is to start something that they have created and that will make a difference. And one of the things that I'll tell you is that starting your own business is a lot of work. It's work that is worthwhile, however, it is work. And you need the right tools, you need some guidelines, you need the idea, of course, and you need a plan set before you. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of information right now, and then we'll do a deeper dive in future sessions. One is you have to choose the business idea that you find that you desire to do, right? And then you have to do the research, the analysis to see if it's a good idea, something that you would enjoy, or is it also something that is going to solve other people's problems? When you look at that, look at your niche market or look at the service or the gift that you're going to provide to the world that's going to solve a problem. And those things are really critical. Then you look at creating a business plan. Now, when you look at creating a business plan for now, just make it the top bullets, the top information that you need. Like, what is your mission vision? What is the problem that you're going to solve? Look at those high points to see where you go next. And then look at the cost. And I have a video that says count the cost. Look at that video under YouTube and look at the information that helps you identify what the costs that could be related to you starting your business. Then my fingernails are an example of focus. Now I know that sounds weird, like Johnnie, why would you do your fingernails like this? It looks a little interesting. However, it's a reminder to me that 20% of the work that I do, the effort that I put forth, typically, according to Pareto principle, gives me 80% of the results I desire. So, what is the 20% that you are doing or desire to do that will give you 80% of the results that you want? And look at that so that because time is very important as a business owner, and typically, this is what I'm going to say. If you are working right now and that is providing resources to your household that are needed, required, this may be a season for you to do and instead of or. Now you say, Johnnie, what does that mean? That means you may need to burn some midnight oil. That means that your success is typically connected to before the sun rises and after the sun sets. But it's going to be worth it. And it'll be worth it because you don't have as much pressure on you to cause this new venture that you're starting to support your household or get mad at this new venture saying it's not working, right? Because it takes some resources and you don't want to put that kind of pressure on your new venture. Okay, so we've already talked about a couple things. We talked about look at your business idea, find your niche market, and or solve a problem. We've talked about the fact that you need to analyze the current market. How big a market are you looking at? You know, how many people has this problem, or how many people can you reach out to tap into that this problem, the problem that you're solving, will be an answer for them. Then remember we talked about create a business plan. It doesn't have to be a dissertation. Just start with the business plan. Get some ideas on some paper so that other people can come to you and when you need help and ask questions and you'll find clarity. I recommend people start a business plan in what I call a success journal. Do a success journal and start writing down the business ideas that you're having and move forward on that. And then for today, I think that's enough because you have an assignment. The assignment is part of the process of stepping forward in the process of starting your business are the top 4 things I want to give you. And I've given you those 4 things. And what your assignment is to get a blank book and start journaling by creating your business plan. So this is Johnnie, and this is just a segment for my YouTube channel so that you can move forward as you grow during this season. I didn't want to make it too long, just short enough. And so the next session will have at least 4 other thoughts on what do you need to do, the step-by-step process to starting a business.